everyone, Jane here from Station Jaya. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are talking about the world of Korean toners, what they do and where they belong in your routine. First things first, what exactly is a toner? In the world of Korean skincare, toners are not just a simple step. It is an absolute fundamental building block. Toners help balance your skin's pH level, and it also helps everything that you're gonna put on the skin after absorb more easily and quickly into the skin. Why are toners so special? What makes them so amazing? It is all about hydration. These toners are formulated with innovative ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. They replenish your skin's moisture barrier, leaving it plump and ready to shine. Now let's talk about technique. Have you ever heard of the 7 skin method? This is something that I did a whole nother video about. I thought it was so cool. It's where you use a single toner up to 7 times on your skin, 7 layers. This really locks in hydration. It really boosts that radiant glow, and it also doesn't overwhelm the skin because it is so gentle and so light. What's in these toners? Innovation. Korean toners often feature ingredients like rice water, fermented extracts, and botanical oils. These natural powerhouses contribute to long-lasting skin health. Now, applying your toner is crucial. Forget about rubbing. Patting is the name of the game. Patting your toner into your skin boosts the absorption and also the circulation, helping your skin look its best. Some Korean toners are like superheroes for your skin. They target specific concerns like brightening, pore refinement, acne control. With these toners, you're not just prepping your skin, you are treating it too. How about making your own DIY sheet mask? All you have to do is get a cotton pad, put on one of your very favorite toners, and you will have an instant DIY sheet mask that will leave your skin feeling pampered and loved without the hefty price tag. Now it's time to integrate Korean toners into your routine. After cleansing and before serums and essences, that is the sweet spot. Your skin will drink up the benefits and you'll be one step closer to achieving that enviable glass skin glow that we all want. And there you have it, the secret to radiant, beautiful, glowing skin, your toners. I'll make sure to leave all of the links for my very favorite toners down in the description box below, what they do, what they treat, so you can easily find them. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you want to give me some love before heading out, go ahead and like this video. It really helps my channel so much and I very much appreciate it. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Thank you so much again. Catch you guys on the next video. Until then, happy glowing. Bye.